Your BMW shouldn't be burning through tires every 20,000 miles, and there's always a reason why. Stay to the end, because the number one cause mechanics see is the one most owners completely overlook, and it's usually fixable. Number 10. Incorrect toe alignment. This is the tire killer that most BMW owners don't even know about. Toe that's even slightly out will scrub the tread off very quickly, much faster than too much camber. BMWs that hit potholes, curbs, or speed bumps hard often knock toe out of spec. This leads to inner or outer edge wear and a steering pull or drift that you'll notice right away. The problem is that toe alignment is incredibly sensitive. We're talking about fractions of degrees making the difference between normal tire wear and replacing tires every year. You'll see this as feathering on the tire edges or rapid wear on just one side of the tread. The steering wheel might not be perfectly straight when driving, or the car might pull slightly to one side. Here's how to stop it. Check alignment anytime you notice a pull, crooked steering wheel, or uneven wear. Don't wait until your next oil change or inspection. Get a proper four-wheel alignment done by a shop familiar with BMW specs. Not a quick toe and go. BMW alignment specs are often more performance-oriented than typical domestic cars, so you want a shop that understands BMW settings and how they affect tire wear. The investment in a quality alignment will save you hundreds in premature tire replacement. Most shops can show you the before and after measurements, so you'll know exactly what was wrong. Even a small toe adjustment can add thousands of miles to your tire life. Number 9. Worn bushings, ball joints, and tie rods. Even if the alignment printout looks perfect on the rack, soft or worn bushings can let the wheels move under load and change toe while driving. Bad ball joints and tie rod ends let the wheel wobble or change angle. This causes cupping, feathering, and rapid edge wear that looks just like an alignment problem. The tricky part is that these components can pass a basic inspection but still be worn enough to cause tire wear. They might feel tight when the car is sitting still, but allow movement under driving loads. You'll notice this as irregular wear patterns, cupping that makes the tires noisy, or vibration that gets worse at highway speeds. The car might feel loose or imprecise in corners. Here's the fix. If tires keep wearing unevenly, even after alignments, inspect control arm bushings, trailing arm bushings, ball joints, and tie rods. Don't just check for obvious play. Replacing these parts and then realigning often fixes mystery tire wear that alignment alone never solves. It's more expensive upfront, but saves money long-term. BMW suspension components don't last forever, and inspecting them regularly prevents the kind of play that chews up tires. Many BMW specialists suggest proactively checking suspension around 60 to 100,000 miles, depending on use and road conditions. Number 8. Aggressive factory geometry. Many BMWs, especially older 3 and 5 Series and M cars, run noticeable negative rear camber and specific front camber settings from the factory to improve handling. This setup can cause inner or outer edge wear over time, especially if toe isn't perfect, or you drive mostly straight highway miles instead of twisty roads. BMW prioritizes handling over tire life in their alignment specs. That's great for performance driving, but tough on tires for daily commuting and highway cruising. You'll see this as gradual inner edge wear on the rear tires, or faster wear on performance tires compared to touring tires on the same car. The solution depends on how you drive. A street-friendly alignment with slightly less negative camber and minimal toe can trade a bit of ultimate grip for better tire life. If you track the car or drive hard regularly, accept faster wear as the cost of that sharp handling. But daily drivers can ask for a more neutral alignment within safe specifications. Work with a shop that understands BMW suspension geometry. They can explain the trade-offs and set the car up for your driving style rather than just hitting factory specs. This is especially important on M cars, where the factory camber settings are quite aggressive for street use. Number 7. Worn shocks and struts. Weak shocks and struts can't control the wheel properly, so the tire bounces and creates cupping. These are scallop dips in the tread that make the tire noisy and rough. Aging suspension is a common overlooked cause of random uneven wear, especially on higher mileage BMWs. The dampers wear gradually, so you might not notice the handling change. Worn dampers let the tire lose contact with the road surface momentarily. Each time it bounces back down, it scrubs a little rubber off in an irregular pattern. You'll feel this as a bouncy ride, body float over bumps, or see cupped tread blocks that look like someone took bites out of the tire. Road noise increases significantly. The fix is straightforward but not cheap. Replace worn shocks and struts before they destroy your tires. New dampers will improve ride quality and handling while protecting your tire investment. After suspension work, always follow up with an alignment. New dampers can change suspension geometry slightly, and you want to protect those new tires. Don't wait until the dampers are completely shot. Replace them when you notice ride quality degradation or during major service intervals. BMW's electronic dampers are especially expensive to replace, so catching wear early prevents having to buy tires and dampers at the same time. Number 6. Improper tire pressure. Underinflation flexes the sidewalls excessively, overheats the tire, and wears the outer shoulders quickly. It also hurts fuel economy and makes the car feel sluggish. Overinflation crowns the tread and wears the center faster while reducing the contact patch. This shortens tire life and reduces grip, especially in wet conditions. BMW's tire pressure monitoring system helps, but it only warns you when pressure is significantly low. Small pressure variations can still cause uneven wear over time. Temperature changes affect pressure more than most people realize. A 10-degree temperature drop can reduce pressure by 1 to 2 psi, which adds up over a season. Here's the solution. Check tire pressure monthly when the tires are cold, using the door jamb specification, not the sidewall maximum. The door jamb number is what BMW engineered for your specific car. For xDrive owners especially, uneven pressures can mess with the all-wheel drive system and cause uneven wear front to rear. Keep all 4 tires at the same pressure unless BMW specifies otherwise. Nitrogen can help a little with pressure stability, but regular air is fine if you check pressures consistently. The key is consistency, not the type of gas. Run-flat tires are especially sensitive to pressure variations and will show uneven wear more quickly than conventional tires. Number 5. Staggered setups and no rotations. Many BMWs run wider rear tires than fronts, especially M Sport and M models. You can't rotate front to rear with different sizes, so each tire wears in its position. BMW has historically not recommended rotation at all, partly because unique wear patterns can cause vibrations if you swap positions later. This is different from most other manufacturers. Staggered setups look great and improve handling, but they're tough on tire budgets. The rears usually wear out first because they handle acceleration forces and can't be rotated. You'll notice the rear tires wearing faster, especially on the inside edges if you have aggressive rear camber. This is normal for staggered BMWs, not necessarily a problem. For staggered cars, accept that the rears will wear out first, budget for replacing them more frequently, and consider buying tires in pairs rather than sets of 4. For non-staggered setups, frequent rotations around 3,000 to 5,000 miles can help if you want maximum tire life. This goes against BMW's recommendations, but works for some owners. Understand that BMW's conservative stance on rotation is partly about maintaining predictable handling characteristics. If you choose to rotate on a non-staggered BMW, stick with front-to-rear patterns that preserve the car's handling feel. Square setups with the same size tires all around give you the most flexibility for extending tire life through rotation. Number 4. High torque and spirited driving. Rear drive and X-drive. BMWs with strong torque will spin or slip the driven tires more under hard launches and aggressive corner exits. Even brief wheel spin wears rubber. Sport and traction-reduced modes allow more wheel spin before the electronics step in. This can accelerate tread wear even if you never see obvious burnouts or tire smoke. BMW's performance-oriented programming prioritizes driver engagement over tire preservation. The systems allow some slip for better feel and response. You'll notice this as faster wear on the drive wheels, especially if you use launch control or frequently accelerate hard from stops. Performance tires show this wear more obviously. The solution is balancing fun with budget. Keep the aggressive driving occasional, warm up tires before pushing hard, and avoid constant full-throttle acceleration from every light. Consider the tire compound you're running. Summer performance tires wear faster under aggressive driving than all-season tires, but they provide much better grip when you need it. If you track the car regularly, budget for more frequent tire replacement. It's the cost of enjoying your BMW's performance capabilities to their fullest. Modern BMWs with launch control and sport modes make it easy to abuse tires without realizing it, so be mindful of how often you're using these features on the street. Number 3. Cheap or mismatched tires. Low quality or mismatched tires can feather, cup, or wear unevenly, even when the alignment and suspension are perfect. Cheap tires often have inconsistent construction that leads to irregular wear. Mixing brands, models, or tread depths front to rear on BMWs, especially X-drive models, can cause odd handling and uneven wear patterns. The all-wheel drive system expects consistent rolling circumference. Different tire compounds and tread patterns respond differently to BMW's suspension tuning. What works well on one tire might cause problems on another brand or model. You'll see this as random wear patterns that don't match typical alignment or suspension issues. The car might feel inconsistent in handling or braking performance. Use a full matching set of quality tires in the correct BMW size, load, and speed rating. Don't mix and match to save money. It usually costs more in the long run. On X-drive BMWs especially, keep tread depths very close on all 4 tires. Once one axle is several 30 seconds more worn than the other, it's time to think about replacing in pairs or sets. Stick with tire brands that BMW approves or recommends. They've tested these combinations and know they work well with the suspension tuning and electronic systems. Run-flat tires have their own wear characteristics and should always be replaced with run-flats, unless you're also adding a spare tire and jack to the car. Number 2. Impact damage and bent wheels. Hitting potholes or curbs can bend wheels or slightly damage suspension components. This throws off alignment and causes uneven wear patterns that look mysterious. A bent wheel prevents the tire from contacting the road evenly. This contributes to cupping, vibration, or localized wear spots that get progressively worse over time. Impact damage isn't always obvious immediately. A wheel might look fine, but be slightly out of round, or a suspension arm might be tweaked just enough to affect alignment. You'll notice this as vibration that gets worse with speed, difficulty balancing the wheels, or wear patterns that don't respond to alignment corrections. After any significant pothole hit or curb strike, have the wheels checked for bends and get an alignment inspection. Don't wait for symptoms to develop. If a shop can't balance a wheel properly, or you see visible wobble, straighten or replace the wheel before mounting new tires. a bent wheel will destroy a new tire quickly. Consider wheel and tire insurance if you drive in areas with poor road conditions. The cost of coverage is often less than one wheel replacement. BMW's low-profile tires and large wheels are especially vulnerable to pothole damage, so this kind of protection makes financial sense for many owners. Number 1. Neglecting regular inspections. Many BMW owners don't visually inspect tread regularly, so problems like inner edge wear on cambered rears go unnoticed until cords show through the rubber. Uneven wear is often the first and cheapest warning sign of an alignment or suspension issue. Ignoring it means buying tires instead of fixing the root cause. Most tire wear problems start small and get progressively worse. Catching them early means a simple alignment instead of new tires, plus suspension work. BMW's performance-oriented suspension settings make regular inspection even more important. These cars are more sensitive to alignment and suspension issues than typical sedans. Check tread depth across the full width of each tire monthly. Run your hand over the tread to feel for cupping, feathering, or irregular wear patterns. Make tire inspection a habit during every wash or fuel fill-up. Look for uneven wear, cuts, bulges, or anything that looks abnormal compared to the other tires. Get a professional inspection anytime you notice vibration, pulling, new noises, or changes in handling. Early detection saves money and keeps you safe on the road. Use a penny or tread depth gauge to measure wear across the tire width, not just in the center where most people check. Here's the bottom line on BMW tire wear. Most of these problems are preventable with regular maintenance and proper driving habits. The key is understanding that BMWs are tuned for performance, which means they're more demanding on tires than typical cars. Don't ignore the warning signs. Uneven wear, vibration, or handling changes are your BMW telling you something needs attention. Address these issues early, and you'll save money while keeping your car performing at its best. Remember, quality tires and proper maintenance are investments in your safety and driving enjoyment. Your BMW was engineered to deliver an exceptional driving experience, and good tires are essential to getting that performance. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one.